everyone, welcome back. It's Anita White with Love Your Art. We're happy to have you joining us, and I just want to say thank you to those of you who are new subscribers. We're so thrilled that you're part of this art journey with us. We're looking forward to great things, so give us your feedback. Make certain that you have liked and shared so we can grow our channel, and we can also be able to share some of the wonderful things that we're doing together. All right, here we have, to get started today, we're doing a Dutch pour, and we have a 12 by 24 inch canvas that I've already gone ahead and laid out the base color, which is the Artist Loft Floetrol Black in a split format, along with the Artist Loft Floetrol White. All colors and paints used, including the base, are mixed with Floetrol and water, with a 2-to-1 paint ratio, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. Mix real well, and then add water as needed to get the desired consistency. So we're going to jump start this by torching and looking for any debris that could interfere with our composition. We are going to be using some colors today that are, I hope, going to be really fun. We haven't used them in combination as such, but it'll be interesting as always. Joining us to our party today, we have the Artist Loft Metallic Blue. We also have Grumbacher Academy Prussian Blue, along with the Amsterdam Turquoise Blue. And we also have with us the Payne's Gray by Golden, Artist Loft Copper, Artist Loft Old Gold, and actually this was the Liquitex Basics Iridescent Graphite. So we have that along with this Payne's Gray, which we are going to kind of mix in like so. We're going to do a design that kind of hopefully flows in an angle, leaving both black and white negative space. So we're going to start with this Prussian blue and hit it on tight squeeze here, giving it a nice full tight squeeze up to the top. That's our Prussian blue. We'll put some turquoise on top of that. Then we'll go into the metallic blue. That's metallic blue by Artist Loft. And we are going to list these colors in the description box below in the event that you want to refer back to them. Now this is the, we don't want to have our two iridescent colors together. We just had a metallic and we want to move this. We'll put the Payne's Gray here. Again, this looks sort of blue, like a navy blue. It's so pretty, by Golden. So we'll have the Payne's Gray, then we'll come in with the copper. Then we will go with our graphite. Ooh-wee, that'll be interesting. And our old gold on top of that. And I will also put a little bit of white. This is the Artist Loft Floetrol White. That's part of the base. We're wrapping it back around with the Prussian blue. And we're going to torch. And we are going to see some amazement, I hope. Okay, and I want to just try and go upward. Very, very pretty. Love it. That copper just came through really nice, and there's hints of the old gold in there. We have a few strings here. I'm going to just tap those out. My finger here. And we have a few air bubbles. This is so pretty though. A few more strings. Strings of paint that got in there. Wow. So, so pretty. I love it. We've got some air bubbles in this area, so I'm going to take my torch to that. And some in this corner. So pretty. All right. I'm really liking what we see here. I'm looking to check out our corners and test any areas that need to be touched up. Here we have just a corner there. The front looks so pretty. Oh, I'm loving this. Okay, we're gonna bring you in for a close-up, and then we will wipe underneath and try to capture this paint as quick as we possibly can to keep our design intact. But there's cells here, the black and that, I think it was the graphite you can see in throughout. I'm gonna bring you closer so you can see it. Alrighty, here we have our close-up, and as you can see, we have covered this side. We are going to come back and wipe those sides down to ensure that they're nice and smooth. As you can see those strips there, you want to have that smoothed out. But everything is looking so nice on top and smooth. Look at the cells and the richness of that shimmer from the Artist Loft Old Gold and Copper combined. You can also see the iridescent graphite really sparkling right on top. It's pretty cells throughout. Just beautiful. You can see that. Love, love, love that copper and gold. And you can see the iridescent shimmer all throughout the black with the turquoise blue, the metallic blue. Really nice. Look at that beautiful shimmer there of that iridescent gold, copper on top. Wow. There's some cells there. Here's more of them. Just surrounding that area there with the blue and the copper. So pretty. And throughout, you can see we've got a beautiful composition here. These colors have come together so nicely. I love it when they make their own statement. They speak loud and clear for themselves. You can see how we have been able to bring this composition of a black and white split together with lots of rich color that are really, really working well together. Okay, let me know what you think. This again is a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and it is a black and white split with lots of nice dynamic color with shimmer and shine from the iridescent paints as well. So let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't. We love to keep you informed each and every time we have a new video. We are going to be trying to get those up at least twice a week, so be informed. You don't want to miss it. Until next time, keep loving your art. Have a great day, stay safe, and we'll see you on our next video upload. Bye.